Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can blur moving face in Filmora application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Filmora application on my computer, and for example, I'm going to blur this girl's face. I'm going to blur it, and if we want to blur moving face, we can use motion tracking feature in Filmora. We can tap on our video and then go to the AI tools, and then here you can scroll down and then activate the motion tracking, and you can place this box to the moving object like this guys. Wait, I'm going to make it here. Okay, then you can click on this option to start motion track. Okay, and just wait for a moment until the process completed. Alright, and the motion tracking has been applied, and we can go to the link element. Then you can select add a mosaic. Okay, then choose the type of the blur effect you want to apply. And I'm gonna go with this one guys. Okay, and then I'm just going to play it to take the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to blur moving face in Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.